I'm Nestor de la Cruz-Muñoz. I'm a bariatric surgeon. I'm a board-certified general surgeon with a second board certification in obesity medicine. I practice at HCA Florida Weight Management and Metabolic Wellness. I knew I wanted to be a surgeon since I was about 12 years old. I was sick and in the hospital with pneumonia and spent a lot of time with doctors and was just intrigued with everything that was going on around me. I really try to deliver personalized care for my patients. And I try to offer everything available for them and try to figure out what's going to be the best for them medically and also what they think and what their mindset is in terms of bariatric surgery or treatment options so that we can find what makes the most sense. These are people that had given up on changing their lives, on getting healthier, on losing weight, and all of a sudden they find that they can accomplish the goals that they've wanted for so very long. And so it's not just making them better, but making them different and making them new. I'm excited because I provide options that people cannot get anywhere else. I do 6 different bariatric surgery options right now. Great focus of my practice is bariatric surgery. I've done over 8,000 bariatric cases in the last 25 years, and that gives me a breadth of experience that most others don't have. For every year that I've been eligible, my practice has won awards for quality outcomes, which most of the other practices have not won. So we have been doing really well in keeping our patients safe and getting them to their goals while minimizing complications.